Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by measuring materials. 2 cups of worm castings and 4 L of dechlorinated water go into a 2L bucket or larger. Put castings in a mesh bag, then submerge. This contains solids and speeds extraction. Once submerged, add a bubbler if available. Oxygen feeds beneficial microbes. If not, plan to stir vigorously for 2 minutes every 15-30 minutes. Doing this now extracts nutrients quickly and prevents anaerobic odors, so you get a clean, biologically rich tea. You now manage the brew. Keep continuous, gentle aeration to encourage aerobic microbes and suppress pathogens. Monitor for foam or rotten smells. If present, reduce brewing time and increase aeration. Brew length depends on plant needs. 12 to 24 hours gives a quick nutrient boost, while up to 48 hours yields a more concentrated tea but increases risk, so check often. Make sure temperature stays below 30 degrees C. Warmer water accelerates activity, but can flip the tea anaerobic, which you must avoid. You finish by removing the mesh bag and straining solids. This prevents nozzle clogs and gives a clean liquid. Dilute the tea 1 to 10 for foliar spray or root drench. Concentrated tea can burn plants. Apply immediately because microbial populations decline rapidly. Do not store for more than a few hours. If the tea smells sour or rotten, aerate it for 30 to 60 minutes and recheck. If odor persists, discard and start over to protect plant roots and avoid introducing anaerobes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.